Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So for today's tutorial I'm using Julie G's Cabana Boy, and I'm also going to be using a white polish. This is China Glaze's white on white. I really love this white polish for nail art. You're also going to need a squishy stamper. I'm using the Kaleidoscope stamper from Twinkle Tea, and you're going to need a stamping mat. For this easy water marble design, you just go in with your first color. You would dot a few nail polish drops right on top of your stamper head. And then you go in with your second color and you kind of fill in the gaps. This doesn't have to be precise. It can be as messy as you want it to be. You can have more of one color if you want to and less of the other. Then you're going to take your stamper and you're going to press this onto your stamping mat. You can swirl the stamper around or you can stamp right on the mat. The more you stamp, the more your colors are going to mix together. And then after you have let that nail polish dry, you're going to cover that entire area with a thin coat of clear nail polish. You really want to make sure you use a very thin coat, because if you use too thick of a coat, it's going to take too long to dry. And you also want to make sure that this is completely dry before you peel it off the mat. You can actually cover more than one nail using this technique. All you have to do is measure your nail and then cut out a shape that resembles the size and shape of the nail that you want to cover. Once you're happy with the shape that you've cut out, you simply apply a very thin layer of top coat and then apply your vinyl right on top of your nail and gently press down. As you press down on the vinyl, it's going to melt into that top coat and adhere to the nail. Before cleaning up, you simply want to trim down your vinyl as much as possible with a pair of very small scissors. And then clean up around the edges and the cuticle area using some type of cleanup brush and either acetone or a nail polish remover. This will help the vinyl kind of finish sticking to the sides of the nail. You can either freestyle the half moon design or you can use French manicure guides. You just want to make sure that the guides are very secure and properly adhered to the nails. I used the cuticle stick here to make sure that it was firmly pressed down, and then go in with your desired nail polish. You can apply several coats, but just make sure that the nail polish is still wet before you remove your French nail guide. You can clean up again using a cleanup brush and some acetone, and then apply a generous coat of top coat. Don't forget to cap your tips and you're done. And here is the finished manicure. I really like the way these nails turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I currently post 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And then on Sundays, I like to do a weekly makeup basket. So hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!